Online si Miss B. Asan siya?
Pinagkakagulan na si Mr. B dito.
I'm just writing it down. Ang galing! Saan front act ka?
Ang pag-ibig ko. Hello, Onyo. What's up, Riza? Ano nangyari? Bakit? Hello, what's up, Ina? Hello, everybody in Kuwait. What's up?
Sis Jessa.
Share the live, guys. Share the live.
Message kita kayo.
Na, 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 na. We miss your lives, Miss B. Gabi Herbert. She sang Ikaw Pala? No way. She sang Ikaw Pala?
I will go.
No way. I have to check that. I didn't get to see it. So what happened was, I went to sleep late last night, and then pagising ko, we went to this spa, this very, very beautiful spa here. It was called Thermea. Oy, salamat sa nagpadala ng stars. Maraming salamat. Hindi. I have to watch it. I didn't know, hindi ko alam na alam niya yung kanta na yun. Mamaya, papanoorin ko. I should do a reaction video, huh? Let's do a reaction video.
Guys, panoorin niyo punta kayo kay Mr. B. Naka-live siya.
Nan magsabi.
Facebook.
Practice na po yun eh. Pasensya po kayo.
Guys, there's a link there. There's a link there. Kung sinong gusto mong maglaro, safe dyan.
Mamaya na tayo.
If you don't want to, then don't. Ganun kasimple lang yun. But I guess my best wasn't good. Here we are back where we were before. Miss B, nasa taping siya. She did. Magaling siya kumanta ng ano. Ay! Thank you! Salamat! Sino nagbigay nun? Ah, Ses! Thank you, sis.
We can figure out a way to recall.
Yeah. What a good time never lasts too long.
Not as good as wrong. This
Kain tayo, guys.
make me find a way, find a way, get high. Make me dancing more than this long night.
You guys are leaving out? I'll see you. Take care.
Okay. Lecture at the Jocelyn. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.
Tita Nina! Hi, Tita Nina! Guess what I'm eating? Kain tayo. Uy,
Nagkaroon
Caleb.
na kayo? What did you guys get?
What are we doing wrong?
Oo nga pala.
Yeah, yeah. Who's that? Who said that? Kain tayo ng okra, pare. Baka pwede tayo mag-request ng okra.
Oo nga, oo nga lang.
Pwede? Pwede ba?
O para sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, meron po kaming upcoming concert bukas, si Chris Lawrence. Also, let's all welcome Chris Lawrence in the house, yo! What's up, yo?
What's up, yo?
Yo, so kung wala po kayong gagawin bukas, sana manood po kayo ng concert namin sa Pyramid Cabaret. Ticket po is $70 only for general admission, and then $105 for
VIP.
with meet and greet. Ayun. O, sino pang kakanta?
Ikaw na kapatid.
Ay, puro kakanta, guys. Sample kay Chris. Hoy, naku, may humingi yata ng sample. Kain mo na. Gutom ka eh. Or kaya si yung minang Cory ko.
Cory!
Pwede mamaya pagkatapos.
Ayun, sino na next? By the way, thank you Jeepney Restaurant for always taking care of all the artists na dumadating sa Winnipeg. Thank you.
Namao
Ay, di
siya.
pa natin naintindihan si Ate Lucky. Ate Lucky. Chris. Ate. Yan si Ate Lucky yung may-ari ng restaurant.
Ate Lucky.
Thank you.
Kami ulit. Ayun. May sasabihin si Ate
Hi.
Lucky.
Hindi ko alam na naka-live siya kagabi, guys. Tulog ako
Sa
na.
mga bronta ka, good luck tomorrow, guys. Okay?
Ay, that's what I
Rock the house. Okay, ito na sa atin nila. Ayan na, ang ganda ng jersey.
Then, scramble for...
Yeah, we have a jersey ni EKL, or ni Chris Lawrence.
Pwede tayo
Meron din KKK. So,
sayang
if
to.
anyone of you wanted to purchase, that would be, for Canadian, we have 140 for 2, or 1 for $85. Pag US dollar, may dalawang US dollar, pwede rin. Okay? Andito lang po kami. And if you want to purchase the ticket, nasabi na yata ni...
Hindi ko alam niya yung kanta na yun. I mean, alam niya, pero...
For the VIP is 105.
Panoorin ko yun.
The general admission is...
Saan siya nag-live? Facebook o YouTube?
Okay, thank you guys.
Ba't ganun? Saan siya nag-live? Sa ano?
Yung pinakbet po na okra, pwede. Opo. Okra lang po. Thank you po.
Idadagdag lang doon na okra.
Or steam.
Or steam lang siya.
Steam
Kahit
lang.
steam tapos idadump na lang yan. Ayun, thank you kapatid.
Sino magkakanin? Hindi ako magkakanin. I mean, yung ano kasi nagkanin. Galing-galing naman yung Austin. He understands Tagalog, but he cannot speak much. But,
Nice. Yes, he understands. That's good enough.
Bukas na lang daw niya mamahalin kasi wala ka daw text. Wala akong text.
Okay.
Guys, lagi ako nagtitext sa kanya.
Ate,
Rice, rice.
Lagi ako nag-message sa kanya. Siya yung hindi nang message sa akin. Pero okay lang. Baka busy lang siya. So, adjust. Mami Deeds. Mami Deeds.
more on gulay po. Gulay po.
Vegetarian.
Huli na raw pala yung maraming order kanina. Kasi po yung, ay, sila natin.
Madam, meron po kayo suka. Sarap. Yung kahit ano.
Black up? Sa TikTok siya. Okra. Wala na? What's up? Okay lang. Bok choy. Hey, bok choy. Oo nga. She told me to go live with her, pero tulog na ako nun eh. Uminom sila. Ano, nag-wine sila. Nanood ba kayo ng part 4? May kilitian ang nangyari. Ay.
Thank you po. Ate Sisig.
Nag-hawk ang gimus. Nag-hawk ang gimus pa ako dun. Tulog na tulog ako.
Sarap naman ito.
Ang inihintay ng puso ko tunay na
Put some, ano, kalamansi. Ang sarap.
Ang palaya, guys.
Tapos, kunin nyo na
May
po.
ang palaya dito.
Sa akin, please. Kapatid, oh. Kasi napaparaming sandok.
Mommy Deeds. Hi, thank you. More kilitian? Sige, I got you. Kaya tayo.
Reaction. Reaction. Lugaw.
Bro, hindi ka na yung iba. Chris. Iba niya.
Toronto, October 17. Kita-kits po tayo.
Ito lang cold na eh. Ito pa lang cold na. Kaya masabi niya shawarma Pilipinas style.
Let's play. Oh, what's that? Let's play Desk Lucky, guys. Naglaro ako konti kagabi. But I only won like mga 1-8. Pero
Load na kay sis!
I saw this reel on Black App, and it was me answering a question that said, they asked, magpapakasal na ba kayo or something like that. And then all I said was, let's see, right? Let's see. And they took it in a way where, ayoko, and it's like, guys, it's too early to say, diba? That's why we're getting to know each other, that's why we're going through what we're going through. You don't just jump into those things. You know, marriage is a very serious thing and you have to be sure. You can't just, you don't just jump into those things, you know, porque naging okay kami. Like, you don't jump into that, right? Kaya nga ligaw, di ba? Kaya nga getting to know each other again, di ba?
You know?
Marriage is something that you guys need to be sure of. Hindi nyo naging kayo tapos iisipin nyo magpapasal agad. Hindi ganun yun. Kilalanan nyo ang isa't isa, and honestly, to live with someone is different than to love someone. Those are two different things. You can love someone, but sometimes thank you. When you live with them, there's a lot of things, there's a lot of personality traits that come out.
At isa kayo sa
And,
suka pa.
you know, that's where you guys have to adjust. You have to do adjustments. Hindi pwedeng like, hindi, ako to ganito ako so dapat mag-adjust siya. Both of y'all have to adjust. Both of you guys have to adjust. There's not isang tao lang mag-a-adjust. Hindi ganun yun. You both have to adjust. Because nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect, right? So, marami din matutunan. In a relationship, there's a lot you learn about yourself from the other person. So, there's things about yourself that you have to adjust to make it work. But first, you have to choose if you want it to work. It all starts from the choice. It all starts from the decision. So once you decide, you make it work. And then, when you make those changes, then you step back and you analyze, do I like this version of myself? Right? Do I like this version of myself? Kasi sometimes, adjust ka ng adjust. And then down the line, hindi mo pala gusto yung version na yun ng sarili mo. Like, you don't like that version of yourself. Right? That's why your partner is very important kasi they have to bring out the best version in you. If that partner is bringing a bad version out of you, you either have to make more adjustments, make different choices, or hindi kayo para sa isa't isa. Because the goal here is for you to be the best version of yourself. It's always you first. Choose yourself, and then everything else will follow. When your cup is full, that's when you're able to help out. When your cup is full, those around you, you can help fill their cups. And when their cups are full, they can help all the other people around them. But it starts with you. It starts with you to become the best version of yourself. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn. Yeah, diba? And even though I'm a new person, even though she's a new person, marami pa rin kailangan matutunan. This school of life is never ending because everything is always changing. So you have to roll with the change. You have to be adaptable. Hindi pwedeng ito ako ganito ako No, guys. Hindi pwede yun. You have to be able to be teachable. You have to be able to be adaptable to your surroundings. That's the way. Bagong reel ni Miss B. Ano yung... Hi, Janalyn from Hong Kong. What time po concert mo, di ba yun? 25 dyan sa Pinas, pero 24 pa dito sa Canada. So bukas na yung show. Hi, Celeste! Yeah, di ba guys? Take it slowly. You don't just jump into something. Marriage is such a serious thing. You don't just jump into it, okay? Yes, Kat. Respect. Number one. Once you guys don't have respect for each other in the relationship, wag na kayo, don't be together anymore. Because that's number one, respect. If you don't respect that person, if they don't respect you, what's the point? You're just gonna you're gonna walk all over that person. You're gonna run all over that person. When you don't have respect for that person, whatever they say to you, wala ka nang pakialam. Kasi hindi mo nire-respeto yung tao na yun. So, in short, why stay in a relationship kung wala ka nang respeto? Diba? Direct Katie! Hindi yung sarili lang iisipin. Tama. Especially as a parent, di ba? We had our days to think of ourselves. Now, when you're a dad, when you're a mom, you have kids. Iba na yung priority. Iba na yung decision mo. Si Michael to no? Hello, Anne from Australia. Sana soon. I just know that I believe you back in my arms. So the stars are shining. Nothing will find me again. Below these days of love, believe you back. Shout out sa Manawag. There's a KKK Sindicato. Wow, what is that? KKK Sindicato. Ray, where you at? We're here at Jeepney. Matatawa ba ako? Sige, panoorin ko. Love will lead you back to my heart. Di Diba, Jenilyn? You must be flexible. Tama. Hindi pwede my way or the highway. No. That's called narcissism. That's called selfish. And that means you're not ready to be in the relationship. What's up, man? Picture? Sure. Oo naman. Gusto mo dito? Tara, okay tayo.
Thank you.
1 second, guys.
Idol kita eh.
Thank you, sir.
Paganda walang plug. Matanggal mo yung plug.
But I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you for the visit here.
Bukas, kita-kits tayo.
Yes, po.
Sige. Ray, I showed the makeup that you got Kat. She said, wow. So she says, thank you for the care package of makeup. I know girls love their makeup. Sure. Sige po. 1 second, guys. Ha?
Sorry, big fan for you.
Hey, thank you po.
Salamat. Sorry,
Manager. Promoter. May mga ticket na po kayo for tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Ticket na kayo for
Doon kayo bukas?
Yeah. We have a ticket.
Hi. Sure.
Baka naman gusto mo manood. Baka naman picture.
1 second, guys, ha?
Hey, someone ordered food eh. Ay, ito yata.
Everybody. Parang sa atin lahat.
Try mo na. Hey! Ang sarap niyan. Ito. If you want to cook with. Ayos lang yan.
Ay, bilis ako. Thank you po.
Thank you. See you tomorrow. Doon kayo bukas.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
See you all tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Salamat. Yan. Online si Miss B. Asan siya?
Pinagkakagulan na si Mr. B dito.
Di ba? Kailangan pa doble. Dito yung kasama.
Stop mo!
Mr. B, kailang concert sa Dubai? Sana October. Sana November. Let's see. Ha?
Nasa gilid niya.
Kaya, sarap.
Yeah, masarap.
Mas gusto ko to.
Uy, salamat sa stars, guys. Is that Tony the Tiger? Yep, it's Tony the Tiger. Even on the back, look. I can't turn around. Yeah, that's Tony the Tiger. It's from Kith. There's this brand called Kith. Sulit ang puyat sa inyo ni Miss B. Thanks, Jenilyn. I've been through a lot. I've been through a lot of experiences, but I mean, that's life, right? When you go through things, the best way to receive it is, hey, I learned something. When bad things happen, it's about perspective. You say, oh shit, all right, hey, at least I learned something.
Hindi ako lang.
Boys, level up, upgrade. Every day, how can I upgrade? How do I upgrade myself? Every day. Tanggal angas na naman. Ganun ba yun? Uy. Ay, lumpia guys. Guys, kita-kits po tayo bukas. Winnipeg. Sarap. Muna sa typing siya. Alright, see you, Joy. Babylon. Oh, thank you, pretty. Bitter spotted? What do you mean bitter spotted? Uy, naka-KKK jersey na sila, oh. Nakakatuwa.
Magmamodel na ba ako?
Yes. Guys, look. Saan yung ano dito? How do you flip the camera? Ayan. Guys, si Ate Lydia. KKK na. Pero, we got Coco in the house. It's Kuya Ferdy, oh. Kuya Ferdy, guys. Mga kasama namin dito. Hello! BTS Army is watching.
Maybe I'm just easy all alone.
Diba? Kuha ng lumpia, pare. Kunin mo yung lumpia. Sausa mo sa suka. Actually, kagatin mo muna. Para mabuksan, diba? Sausa mo sa suka. Habang basa pa ng suka. Habang nandun. Kang bok choy, diba?
Memories I can't keep up.
Sarap.
Who's that?
my dreams is to have at least 2 international songs na nag-hit. That's a big dream of mine. So, diba? Strike lang na strike. Nakakalaban naman tayo, diba? We get to hear the new songs tomorrow. No new songs tomorrow. The 2 new songs, maybe November or next year. Kasi may mga naka-line up. May kakanta ng Risk It All. Lasing po ba yung kumakanta? Oh, yes. So in your heart, I'll do anything you ask me to. Say you want the moon. What's that? Oh my God, guys, make cake, make cake, make cake. Look, guys, what is that? Ang laki, oh. Wow. Tingnan natin. Yun, oh. Yeah. Ah. Thank. Sugar Blue?
Yeah, Sugar Bloom. Bloom. Kayo na lang iba.
Maraming salamat, Sugar Bloom.
Or kay Marky.
Hindi ko makita yung si Ma'am, guys. I think hindi siya nagme-message. Oh, for you. I was Pirmahan ko. Oo naman. Pirmahin ko yan. Ah, thank you. Pwede. Christita. Hi, Christita. Olivia BD. See you tomorrow. It's okay, guys. Hindi pwedeng walang simang. Laging may simang eh. It's okay. When you see the simang, attack! Ah, just kidding. Kaya mo lang. We choose peace. We choose peace, guys. Always choose
Very,
peace.
very nice.
Yan, baka ito may lumot.
Cucumber calamansi. Cucumber calamansi.
Let's cut the cake, guys.
Ang laki.
Kakain ba tayo ng cake?
Hi mga kakoko! Birthday po ni Chris! Happy birthday to you! Advance happy birthday! Kamusta kayo mga kakoko? King Palacio! leche plan. Is it? Yes! Ate, ano mo na nagbayad na? Ay, wala. Kayo daw eh. Hello po! Hello, hello! We miss you guys! Nakainin po lahat ni Cristo. Sa kanya lang po talaga yan. Para sa ilang niyang kapatid, ha? Guys, walang iba kakain yan. Wala daw umuwi nang hindi ubos.
It's okay. Have fun.
Ang sarap!
Sarap. How are you guys doing? Hi, John. How you doing, John? How you doing?
Kain tayo.